Is it time to buy or sell Incannex Healthcare Limited stock? In this video, we will explore Incannex Healthcare Limited in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 15th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Incannex Healthcare Limited as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating further decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 65.67% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a complete loss to a decrease of 13.22%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 76.36%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 94.96% to a reduction of 37.19% over the coming year. This would suggest a future price ranging between 13.5 thousandths of a dollar and 169 thousandths of a dollar. Our latest daily update for Incannex Healthcare Limited includes the headline: Volatile ride for Incannex Healthcare Limited stock price on Thursday, moving between 240 cents and $1.06. The Incannex Healthcare Limited stock price experienced a decline of 61.64% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, dropping from 700 cents to 269 cents. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 340.93%, with a low at 240 cents and a high of $1.06. While the price has fallen on 7 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 102.03% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should ideally align with price movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 1 billion shares, totaling 378 million shares traded for approximately $101.59 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $3.55, while the lowest was 8 cents. Currently, the price is 92.44%, or $3.28, below the 52-week high, and 99.72%, or $95.80, below the all-time high reached on the 14th of March, 2022, when the price peaked at $96.07. Incannex Healthcare Inc., trading under the symbol IXHL, has recently made significant strides in its clinical development programs, particularly regarding its investigational treatment IXHL for obstructive sleep apnea. On the 15th of May, 2025, the company reported its fiscal third-quarter results, highlighting the completion of patient dosing in the Phase 2 portion of its Phase 2/3 REPOSA trial. This adds momentum to their IXHL program, representing a critical phase in its development. Just a day earlier, IXHL's stock price skyrocketed by 876%, reaching 83 cents, following the completion of patient dosing in the trial. Such a dramatic increase indicates strong investor optimism, underpinned by positive clinical milestones and potential market capabilities for IXHL if successful. In the long term, if the upcoming end-of-study follow-up assessments yield favorable results, we could see a sustained upward trajectory in IXHL's stock price due to increased investor confidence and potential partnership opportunities. This could also attract further investment, reinforcing their financial position as they expand into Phase 3 studies. Current data shows that Incannex is effectively managing its research and development costs, with second-quarter expenses significantly reduced year over year. This operational efficiency can further bolster investor sentiment, especially as they prepare for the next stages of their clinical programs. Overall, IXHL stands at a pivotal juncture that could redefine both its market value and impact in the biopharmaceutical sector. Analysts have assigned Incannex Healthcare Limited stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Incannex Healthcare Limited. The stock is currently displaying mixed signals. Incannex Healthcare Limited has a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this creates a broader sell indication, leading to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock is likely to encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at 460 cents. Conversely, if the stock experiences a decline, it will find support from the short-term average at 212 cents. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and intensify the overall negative indication. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May in the year 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 61.64%. Additional declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, is currently signaling a sell as well. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which helps to mitigate overall risk, as typically, volume should correspond with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 68 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 106 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Incannex Healthcare Limited. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock could experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is prone to substantial fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that it carries a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of 82 cents between its highest and lowest points, which represents an increase of 340.93%. Additionally, for the past week, the stock has averaged a volatility of 113.09% on a daily basis. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Incannex Healthcare Limited, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can signal insufficient profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of $460,000 per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Incannex Healthcare Limited. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide to determine when to exit. Conversely, there is no considerable support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. It is essential to proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader capable of navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Incannex Healthcare Limited from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade was on the 23rd of October, 2024, when Barbado Luigi M. conducted an insider buy of 100,476 shares of common stock. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Incannex Healthcare Limited stock a good buy? Incannex Healthcare Limited holds several negative signals, and we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 16th of May, we anticipate Incannex Healthcare Limited to open higher by 254 10,000s and start trading at 523 10,000s. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important that you do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.